Hey, I'm Sam from Barn2, and today we're talking about the cheapest way to start selling with Shopify, the $5 a month starter plan, which lets you start selling online without building an entire e-commerce site. If you're a creator, side hustler, or just want to sell a few products through social media or messaging apps, this might be one of the easiest ways to get started. We'll talk about what's included, what's missing, and who would benefit the most from being on this plan. By the way, if you want a full walkthrough for how to set up a Shopify store step by step, I've already made that video and you can watch it here, and I've also linked it down in the description for you. So as I already mentioned, the starter plan is Shopify's simplest and most affordable plan. For just $5 or euros a month, it gives you the tools to start selling online without having to set up a full online store. Instead of building a website, you just create product links or buy buttons that you can drop into Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, emails, or even on your blog. It's really ideal if you want to test an idea or sell to an audience that you already have. It's really easy to get started, and you can even start on a free trial for the first 3 days. Just go to shopify.com, enter your email, and get the process started. Now, in order to actually find the starter plan, you may need to hunt around in their different plan offerings because it's not very prominently featured. So you'll probably have to scroll down on the page, or you can go directly to shopify.com/starter like I've done here, and then you can follow the link here to get started for free. You can skip over the customized setup screen and go straight into your new dashboard. From here, you'll see a little prompt in the bottom corner called Select a Plan. And from this page, you can see the starter plan on the left, but if you don't see it, you can also scroll down further on the page and they'll show it down in this section here. You can select the starter plan, fill out your payment details, and remember that you can cancel at any time, and then click on subscribe. So let's talk about what's included for those $5 a month that you're paying to Shopify. So rather than getting an entire storefront and separate website, you get product links that you can share on other sites, like social media sites, which you could connect to your link in your bio on Instagram, for example, or you can send these links directly to your followers. Shopify also gives you a mobile-friendly dashboard where you can manage your products, orders, and customers on the go. They also give you Shopify payments and PayPal support, so you can immediately accept credit cards, Apple Pay, and a lot more options. There are also basic order management tools, which are pretty bare bones, but just enough to keep things organized. To summarize, it's minimal but functional. Now, of course, with all that simplicity, it means that you're definitely going to be missing out on some things, and here are some of the major ones. You don't get a custom website or domain. There's no store theme, blog, or homepage for you to edit, and there are no marketing automation or advanced analytics. And one other big one is there's no app integrations or customizations beyond that. So basically, the links that you share on social media go directly to some Shopify hosted shop where people can check out from, but it's not going to be personalized or represent any of your unique branding. If you want some kind of branded store and something that you can customize yourself, you will need to upgrade to at least the basic plan, which depending on when you're watching this might be $19 a month or more. So you might have got the sense that this plan is not for everyone, but there are definitely some people who will still really benefit from it. Those would definitely include creators and influencers who already have an audience on Instagram, TikTok, etc., and they want to sell to their audience. Entrepreneurs can also benefit from testing a product idea before committing fully to an online store that you have to set up and manage, which can take quite a while. Then there's also some small scale sellers who are offering just a few products and they don't need to completely immerse themselves in the world of e-commerce. If that sounds like you, then definitely it's a low risk, low effort way to start selling online, which I highly recommend to grow your business. But if you're planning on building a brand and you want full control of your website, as well as a lot more detailed analytics, then you'll need to go up to the basic plan or a more advanced plan straight away. If you're still on the fence about where to sell your products, there are a few other options I'll mention for you right now. Gumroad is great for digital downloads, and it's very simple and low maintenance. Big Cartel is also very beginner friendly, but it comes with very limited features. And of course, WooCommerce, which is fully customizable with WordPress, but does require a lot more setup. On this channel, I've made hundreds of videos about how to set up stores on WooCommerce, so you can check out our channel and subscribe for more in the future. So bottom line, is the Shopify Starter Plan really worth it? Well, if you just want to sell a few things through your DMs or social posts, then yes, it's a solid option. You get secure checkout, trusted payment processing, and a way to test the waters without building a full site. But if you're thinking long-term or you want more control, better to go with the basic plan straight away. And don't forget to watch my guide video where I explain step-by-step how to set up a Shopify store from scratch. And if you're looking for more tools to grow your business, check out barn2.com here. And of course, thanks for watching.